Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set video as ringtone on Android. To set video as ringtone on Android, you want to simply watch this video right till the end. For that, you will have to actually install an application. So head over to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in video to MP3 or video to audio. You could install any of these applications, and once you've actually done it, so you want to click on the open button. After it opens up, then you have to run the installation, all that. And next thing is you'll be taken to this page, right? So you want to click on the first option that says video to audio. Then you want to make sure to enable all of these permission. Select the particular video that you want to use it as a sound, or that you want to use it as a ringtone. So this will be the one. Let's see, and click on a done button. Once you've actually done it, so you want to make sure to click on allow, and once again enable all of these and click on allow, and click on the done button. Once you've actually made it so far, you want to then go ahead and convert by tapping on it. And once it has been converted, what you have to do is you want to go ahead and you want to simply go ahead and click on set as, and you could see set as ringtone to this. You could go ahead and click on the OK button, and once you've actually done it, so you'll have successfully set video as ringtone on Android. However, if you're unable to do it from here, then you could also go to your ringtone settings from your phone settings, and there you could go ahead and make changes. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.